Welcome to the Eureka Lending's YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I am discussing about how to generate question and answers automatically using NLP models. So this is a very good video, friends. Don't miss this video. Please watch the entire video and please subscribe my channel. So let's go into the video, friends. So first, we have to install the necessary packages. So now in this video I'm doing microservice for that application also. So I'm using fast API. So that's why I'm installing fast API library. Then I am importing all the required libraries, fast API. So for this question and answers, we have to use transformer models. So I am installing the transformer library, which has a version of 3.3.1. So this I wrote some small code for IPython.display input clear output. So what it will do when we are installing now, so it will tell the installation, how much the space, how much speed it installed. So that data is available, right? So I don't want that data. I don't want to see that data. That's why after installing, automatically this code snippet will clear that output. So that's why I'm using that. If you want, you can use, otherwise you can remove. After I'm importing the transformers, so here I'm generating question and answers using T5 model. So that's why for T5 model we need to import two things. One is a generation. We have to generate the question and answers, right? So we have to import this T5 for condition generation, and we have to do tokenization. So why this tokenizer will help? Because whatever the text you have given, we have to tokenize, then only our transfer models will understand, right? So that's why I'm using T5 tokenizer first. There are different types of tokenizers available, friends, like T5 small, T5 base, but this T5 tokenizer fast is a this name itself, it will load immediately because it will not take that much space. So that's why I'm using this. So then I am importing checkpoint T5 base. So T5 base model I am using. So model T5 conditional generation dot from pre-train. I am taking T5 base model. Here tokenizer also from pre-train. I am taking T5 base. So now my tokenizer downloaded. So let's go into the main function part. So here I am initializing the app application for fast API. Then I am posting the data. So this is my endpoint, friends. So here I am writing some function. So enter my logic is presented in this function only. So that's why I put like generate underscore QA. So here text I have to pass. So here my idea, friends, suppose if you give some manual, product manuals or textbooks or something, so it will be in the paragraphs, right? I am considering only the languages which have spaces divided by the paragraphs which have divided. So that's why I'm putting text. So text will be string. That's why I put the string data type. Then I'm splitting. So if you give entire pages, the pages will have so many paragraphs, right? So first we have to divide that entire page into paragraphs. So how can we divide paragraphs? So if for each paragraph there will be a line separated, right? That's why I put like this /n. It means new line. So I'm splitting using these paragraphs. So then I'm taking to list question and answers. So after that I'm running loop over all the paragraphs. So then only we can get the data. So that's why I put for paragraph in paragraph. So all the paragraph data will come into paragraph variable. So here I'm giving text. So the input text will be like generate question. That string will be added for every paragraph. Then we have to use IDs. So these IDs are very important for the model. So I'm generating IDs. So tokenizer.encode. So whatever the data you are giving, we have to encode. Then all our model will understand, right? So that's why using help of tokenizer we are encoding. So in the encode, what we have to pass? We have to pass the data. So what is our data? Input text. So input text and return tensors, PyTorch. PT means PyTorch, friends. If you are using TensorFlow, you can put TF. But now I am using PT. I am putting PT. Then output model.generate. So it will generate the necessary things, right? That's why we have to pass IDs and max length, like how much length you want generate. If you, it is a variable, friends, you can change if you want. And these are some parameters. Number of beams for early stopping. I didn't do, like I when I'm developed, I went through the doc, so from the doc only I used this. Okay, so that's why I put same, exactly same only. Then the output, the question, this will generate a question, friends. Then it will generate in the numerical format. That one we don't understand, right? That's why I'm decoding. So using help of tokenizer only we can decode. So output of 0, so it will give the question. That's why. And skip special token. There are some special tokens will be there. If you want to skip, you can skip. Otherwise you can put false, then it will generate some special tokens also. That and all we don't require. We need only what is the question and answer. So now we did for question. Again we have to do it for answer, friends. So same, what input text we have to pass question, and we have to pass some context, because from that only the model will understand. If you see, if while you reading passage, you will first read the passage, then you will try to understand what is this passage is telling. Like this only we have to pass context means the paragraph. From this, from the question, it will understand, it will try to give the answer. That's why parting giving answer, the question we are giving and the context we are giving. Then we have to encode the text, right? So what we have to encode? We have to encode the input text only. So then it will generate the answer. Then we are decoding, like how we did for question, same as well. But in the answer we will pass question and context. But in the question part we will post only paragraph only. We will send paragraph only. So then I am appending, so before I took two list variables, right? Then I am appending all the answer and question to those list variables. Then I am returning. So this is my entire logic, friends. So when you pass paragraph, when you pass passages, it will consist of paragraphs, right? So entire the pages I am converting to paragraphs. Then I am separating those. Then each paragraph I am sending to this model. So then we have used fast API. So that's why if you want to run that, we have to use this command uvcon. So this is the main part for fast API and main. So main will be, if you put whatever, if you put this in the main.py, you have to put like this. Otherwise if you put in app.py file, you can put app. So but I am running in Colab for simply understanding, I put the command. But if you want to run in VS Code, you can create a main.py file and you can put all this code in that main.py file. Then you can run this command. So then it will generate. You can run this in localhost. But if you want to, we have developed some endpoint, right? If you want to test that endpoint, we have to import the request library and we have to pass whatever text we want to pass for texting. Then response request.post, but we have used post method, right? That's why I'm using post request.post, and whatever the server we have to pass on the text. So JSON text we are passing, then it will give response. That's why response.json. Then it will give the output, friends. You can test if you want. So this is all about question and answer generation, friends. Thanks for watching video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel.